Hello, my friends. Let me ask you something, are you truly aware of the power within you? I'm not talking about your skills or talents, but something far deeper. Most people go through life unaware of the profound truth that their reality is shaped by their consciousness. Today, let's explore how a simple shift in your awareness can unlock your true potential and completely transform your experience of life. You see, your awareness is like the lens through which you view the world. If that lens is clouded by fear, doubt, or limitation, your reality will reflect exactly that. But when you shift your focus, when you deliberately choose to perceive life from a state of abundance, possibility, and love, your world begins to change in remarkable ways. This is not wishful thinking, it's the fundamental principle governing the nature of reality. Every circumstance in your life, whether favorable or challenging, stems from the assumptions you hold. These assumptions act as the seeds of your experience. If you continuously dwell on thoughts of lack or struggle, you unknowingly nurture those very conditions in your life. But the moment you change your assumption and believe in a reality of abundance and ease, the world begins to mirror that belief back to you. It's like tuning a radio. When you change the frequency, you receive a completely different signal. Now, here's the key, you must take responsibility for your awareness. This isn't about blaming yourself for your current circumstances, but about realizing that you hold the power to shift them. The moment you become aware of a limiting belief, you've already begun to dissolve its hold on you. Awareness is the first step to liberation. Let's consider an example. Imagine you've always believed that financial success is out of reach for you. Perhaps this belief was instilled in you by your upbringing or past experiences. Because of this assumption, you subconsciously align your actions and decisions to support it. You may avoid opportunities, settle for less, or feel unworthy of wealth. But the moment you decide to adopt a new assumption, one that declares you as prosperous and capable, you begin to change the course of your life. This shift doesn't happen by chance, it happens through deliberate practice. Take time each day to reflect on the assumptions you hold about various areas of your life. Are these assumptions empowering you, or are they limiting you? Replace the ones that no longer serve you with beliefs that align with the life you desire. Affirm these new beliefs with conviction, and feel as though they are already true. Feeling is the secret, for it is through feeling that your subconscious mind accepts a new reality. Now, I must emphasize this, you don't need external evidence to confirm your new belief before you accept it. Many people wait for the world to show them signs before they allow themselves to believe. But the truth is, the evidence follows belief, not the other way around. You must first assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and persist in that assumption, regardless of what your current circumstances may suggest. Let's take this deeper. When you assume a new belief and hold it with unwavering conviction, you activate a powerful force within you, the creative power of imagination. Your imagination is the tool through which you shape your reality. Every great achievement, every breakthrough, every miracle in life begins in the realm of imagination. But here's the catch, your imagination works both ways. If you fill it with fear and worry, it will create experiences that match those states. If you fill it with faith and vision, it will bring forth the life you desire. So, how can you begin to use your imagination effectively? Start by envisioning the life you wish to live as if it's already yours. Close your eyes and see yourself living in that reality. Feel the joy, gratitude, and peace that come with it. The more vividly you can imagine this, the more real it becomes in your consciousness. Recall, what is real to your imagination will eventually become real in your experience. And don't let doubt creep in. Doubt is a thief, it robs you of your creative power. Whenever you catch yourself doubting, gently bring your focus back to the vision you're creating. It's normal to feel resistance at first, after all, you're rewriting the script of your life. But with practice, your new awareness will take root, and you'll begin to see tangible changes in your world. One of the most transformative shifts you can make is moving from a mindset of separation to one of unity. So many people feel disconnected, separated from their dreams, their desires, and even from others. But this is an illusion. At the core of your being, you are one with everything. There is no separation between you and the life you wish to create. When you think of this truth, you stop striving and start allowing it. Life begins to flow effortlessly, and you become a magnet for all that you seek. You might be wondering, how long does it take to see results? The answer lies in your persistence and faith. Time is irrelevant when it comes to shifting your awareness. Some changes may happen overnight, while others may take longer. But rest assured, as you persist in your new awareness, the results will come. It's like planting a seed. You may not see the growth immediately, but you trust that the process is unfolding beneath the surface. Each moment of your life holds the potential for something extraordinary, yet most people overlook the power of now. Right here, in this instant, lies an infinite well of possibility. If you've ever felt stuck, it's not because life has no options for you, it's because your awareness has been fixed on limitations. The truth is, your potential is always present, it's simply waiting for you to tune into it. How do you tap into this potential? By releasing the grip of past narratives and future worries. Too often, we anchor ourselves to old stories about who we are or what we've been through. We allow these stories to dictate what we think is possible. But these stories are not you. They're just interpretations of past experiences, held together by your focus. When you shift your focus away from those stories and instead direct your awareness to what is possible right now, you step into a new state of being. Let's talk about the present moment. It's easy to overlook its power because it feels so ordinary. But the present is where creation happens. When you're fully present, you're no longer weighed down by the past or anxious about the future. You're free to choose your thoughts, to imagine, and to feel the reality you desire. This is where transformation begins, not in some far-off future, but here and now. One powerful practice is to pause and ask yourself, what am I choosing to focus on at this moment? If your focus is on lack or fear, you're giving energy to those things. But if your focus is on gratitude, abundance, and possibility, you're opening the door to new experiences. This isn't just positive thinking, it's aligning your awareness with the outcomes you wish to experience. Your awareness is the director of your life's unfolding. Here's a practice I encourage you to adopt. Each morning and evening, take a few moments to affirm your desired state of being. Whether it's abundance, health, love, or peace, declare it with confidence and feel it as if it's already true. Repeat this consistently, and watch how your life begins to align with your affirmations. To truly unlock your potential, you must make this a way of life. It's not a one-time exercise, it's a continuous practice of awareness and alignment. The more you train yourself to focus on what you desire rather than what you fear, the more empowered you become. You are not a victim of circumstance, you are the creator of your reality. So, let today be the day you take charge of your awareness. Begin by recognizing the incredible power you hold within. Shift your focus, reframe your beliefs, and dare to imagine a life beyond your wildest dreams. Everything you need is already within you, you simply need to claim it.